Hello, everyone. Hi. I thought I would give you a little heads up on how everything will work now that we are going to go to distance learning. As you can see here, period one, period two, period three. Those three periods you should be looking at that depending upon what period you have me. If you were period one, you would have had me, or you would have had Mr. Cadets, right, for workshop. So no matter what, if you were in period one, you come on my Zoom during this period of time. It's period two, you are 9 to 9:30. Period three, you are from 9:40 to 10:10 a.m. I will be on there along with your workshop teacher, whether or not it was Mr. Cadets or Mr. Stark. You are going to come on during your selected time. You need to come on. You need to show up. You need to get up early to do this at 8:20, just like you're in school. We're going to take attendance every day, every class time. You need to be there. Okay? I'm sure you will. I'm not too worried. But just know that it is important, and we'll do this, and it's going to be great. Okay? We'll have time where if you have questions about things, you can contact me after 12:10 or after 1 o'clock, excuse me. I'll say that again. After 1 o'clock, see this? 1 to 3 o'clock, you can contact me by email. You can contact me on Zoom. You can email me and say I need to Zoom and talk with you. Whatever is needed, I will be available from 1 to 3 o'clock each day. Okay? So know that I will be there. And I would like you to make sure you get your work done each day. I know that this schedule will be kind of a fast schedule for you, because once you get done with first hour with me, then you might have second hour with language arts or social or whatever it might be in your periods that you have. I totally understand that. And a lot of the work, if there's something for me to do, you're going to have to possibly do it during this time after 12:10 when all of your classes end. Okay? So just keep up with things, not only in my class, keep up with other classes as well. It'll make your life much easier. Okay? So, this is all I wanted to say for now. I will make another video explaining more things as I think about them, but this is one thing I want you to be aware of, okay? So for me, for these first three periods, you need to go into my Zoom, which I will have the code, I will have the link in Google Classroom, where you will click on it, you will come into the class, and there will be many people in class, and we'll get started. I'll explain what you need to do or explain certain things and what it is that's expected, and we'll go on from there. Okay? This will work. Okay? This will work. And again, I want to emphasize from 1 to 3 p.m., if you need any extra help after your classes are over with, all of your other classes are finished, you need help with anything, let me know, okay? Send a message, tell me you did well or you liked it, whatever, as well. Not only if you have problems, okay? All right, well, that's enough for now. I will be looking forward to the start of this, and, have a good attitude. That's what I care about in my class, and I care about it here. I've told you over and over. And hopefully, you sixth graders who have just had me this year for the first time, you have seen that that's what I care about. I care about you, and I care about how much you learn. Okay, great. Okay, enough for now. You will see the next video sometime in the next couple days. Bye-bye. See you later.